Hi, so let me show you the Golden Memories kit. I'll start off with the printed papers. So again, you get 2 of each one. And that's the back of that one. So for those of you that like fussy cutting, you've got an opportunity to do that. Or you can just use them as they are. That's a beautiful goldy colour. I don't know if you could see it on the light here, but it's a lovely golden colour. And it's also slightly iridescent. The backgrounds have got a kind of iridescent look to them. And all of these printed papers are 250 GSM. So they're a really nice thickness for working with. They feel really satisfying. You take your pick on which side you'd like to use. These would make, I always do fairly abstract kits. This one would actually make a really nice wedding kit, but you could use it for anything. It would make a nice golden wedding anniversary kit, or just a birthday for celebrating birthdays, or just if you're out in the countryside, because it's floral and leaf themed, and you get a page of wreaths as well that you can cut out. They're really cute. So that's all the printed papers, and then I always give you cardstock. So in this kit, there's some yellow, green, light green, and these all coordinate with the kit. Some dark green, and I always like to put some neutral in if I can, so there's some white in there as well for you. So that's all the printed paper and the cardstock, but that's not all you get in the kit, because you need to have everything to do your pages. So these are going to be difficult to see, but they're letter stickers. There are 3 pages of letter stickers, are uppercase and lowercase. And you get a set of die cut frames, and each one of these, so there's 3 or 4 frames in each set. You get the whole pack, and they just pop out. They're already cut, so you just pop them out and stick them on, and they're great for doing little journaling boxes, or just for adding accents. Okay, next you get some little silvery coloured brads. There's a whole pack of those. There's 4, 8, 12, 16 in there. And you get some stick-on flowers. These are daisies, I think. A whole pack of ribbon. I haven't taken these out because they go everywhere, but little die-cut leaves to stick on, ready done for you, so you don't have to muck around. And you get a little pack of embroidery floss. And finally, this beautiful chipboard wreath. That's really pretty. So that's all the items, the product items in the kit. That's the Golden Memories kit. And you also get page layout ideas. You always get one of those in my kits, and you'll get a page planner as well. So Golden Memories kit, it's if you go over to the website, so www.memoriesandphotos.co.uk, click on Scrapbox kits and look for Golden Memories, You'll also see all the other ones that are available there. They are all limited edition, and they go out to our Scrapbox Club members first. But any that are left over, you can buy them on the website. If you'd like to know more about the Scrapbox kit, you can find that out on the website too.